Today's horror manga dubbed narration is The Steam Engine, from the horror anthology A Good Day for the Paranormal. I hope you all enjoy. At twilight, when the line between afternoon and night is blurred, on my way to a client meeting, the familiar road begins to feel strange. Huh? In such a narrow path? That's when I begin to hear the sounds of a nearby train. The sound of metal clanking that whistles. It's a steam engine. The deep rumble in the earth and that high-pitched echo. It brings me back to that day. I was 9 years old, so I must have been in 3rd grade. My mother was on the phone. She said, "Yes, sorry. No, he doesn't have a fever, but he really isn't feeling well. He won't be able to attend school today." Yes, that's right. I remember those words very well. My head against my pillow, and my eyes faint. Sayama, Hayashi, Myuu. That day, as fast as I could picture the smiling faces of my classmates, the images faded, and soon the day went on. I didn't realize how much time had passed. My mother explained that she was heading out for a bit because she needed to pick up some things for dinner, but it was already that time between afternoon and night, and yet I was the only one left in the house, laying there, all alone in that room, with only the birds chirping until they too were gone. That day, I heard the sound of a nearby train. Mom? I looked over, right outside my window, and there was a gargantuan steam engine. It had parked right outside of my bedroom, and then someone emerged. They said, "This is the train bound for anywhere but here. We welcome customers who find that here is only filled with despair. Those who no longer have any lingering attachments. Please, watch your step as you board." And then, the entity formed a smile. I immediately hid under my covers. Then I said to it, I have people who love me here. There's my mother and my friends at school." How strange. How very strange. Even though you're definitely holding a ticket for this train. That was many years ago now, and still, I realize it as I stand here. Back then, I was just lying to myself. That night, my mother ran away with some man I'd never met. She never came home again. I didn't really fit in at school. My classmates' smiles were never directed at me. Even my boss was horrible. He would always yell and scrutinize me.
"Hey, where the hell did you fuck off to? Sales don't make themselves."
Huh? I reached into my pocket and pulled out a ticket. I knew what this ticket was for. A ticket I had received in my childhood, a ticket I had never used because I believed I was loved and needed. So, I now set foot down the narrow path to escape this reality. Hey everyone! Thank you so much for watching. I'd like to take this time to give a very special thanks to my Patreons and YouTube members. Sarah De Jesus, Motosurf, Leo, Basin Animus, and Alleyway. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and remember, you're important and you matter. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.